to my mom's channel. Today I am taking over her channel.
Put your head on my shoulder. Hold me in your arms, baby. Squeeze me oh so tight.
Disclaimer: if you were under the age of 17, do not click on this video, because this is for adults only. Don't forget to subscribe, and click that bell. Let's get started.
Hello everyone, welcome to my mom's channel. Today I am taking over her channel. Just kidding. Hi guys. Do you want to say something?
Hello guys.
We want to wish you a Merry Christmas for those of you who are watching this on Christmas. And my mom is my hairdresser. She always does my hair. And yeah.
So I hope you all have a very Merry Christmas because I love you all.
And we hope you get lots of presents from Santa.
Okay, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. As you can see me guys, we wish you happy Christmas. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for your support. You can hear the background noise. We have a lot of visitors here. Let me do the tutorial how I grow my children's hair. The two of them, you can see their hair is very growing. So we use this opportunity to wish you guys Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I don't want to show my face. I have a home remedy on my face. So I'll be showing you step by step how you can detangle your children, your daughter hair naturally. So guys, I'll be showing you I have a bottle. Which I'm going to edit it. Yeah?
Let's do them addresses. This is mine.
Yeah.
No, it's your
Okay
turn.
guys, I'm going to be showing you how, as you guys see the full video, how I mix my water with apple cider vinegar and walnut oil to detangle the hair before I will comb it. I'll start. I actually made this cream is made by me. I sell them, and there's a video of this how I made the cream. This cream is very lovely. It will make your children hair or your hair yourself grow, never stop. So it will fuller and thicker your hair. Sorry, Sarah. As you can see, so as you can see, it's very dry. So you have to spray your apple cider vinegar.
It's raining.
I will go together.
Massage.
Where everybody going?
So guys, you part into four. You can see this, the hair is already washed, and I'm going to be doing Sarah hair mask. I use this. It's made of homemade. It's very cheap with eggs. So if you guys want me to show you how I made my homemade hair mask, please leave the comments below. I will show you guys how to do it step by step. So I just want to show you the oil I use for my child, how I help my child with home remedy that costs nothing. As you can see, it's very long. How you can also as well to make your child hair grow naturally. You can see the down is clean. I just wash it. Everything I use today is made from me, by me. So if you guys want me to make a video how you can take care of your child's hair, please leave the comments below guys. So I'm going to be parting it into four, where I'm going to be apply the homemade hair mask. So this homemade hair mask will grow your child or yourself hair. The hair will grow, will never stop growing, and it's full of nutrition that the hair scalp needs. and it's also help to get rid of dandruff and give the hair roots a stamina. And you can see Sarah hair is bouncing, is full. I want to match all of them together, so I've matched the 4 parts together. So guys, let me know what you guys should think. So guys, you need kitchen flame. You can get, if you have any other alternative. So I used to use the kitchen flame. So you just know. So I know what I need. You can also get a towel. So after the tail film, what I'm trying to do here, I'm trying to generate a lot of heat. Okay, so you can put 3 or to 20 shower cap, it depends. So that's one. You can see the inside. So you leave it up to 20 minutes, and I will be showing you guys the results after 20 minutes. The hair will be sweating just to generate additional heat for the roots. So by the time I will be combing the hair, it will be very, very, very flexible, and it will be very soft. That is the reason why I'm doing. And you can get this in any shop. This is very handy for me. Guys, after 20 minutes. So hello guys, as you can see, we've washed the hair. When you use the my home remedy hair mask, it will make your hair soft and glowing. Guys, please, if you want me to make a video how I make my homemade hair mask, please guys, let me know. Okay guys, so as you can see guys, it's very easy to comb. You can see, very easy. That is what it does. It will make the hair no bend. The hair mask, you can see the combs going through. So try the hair mask for your child or yourself and let me know. And this is my homemade cream. Remember guys, the one I make last time. So you can check the previous video. This cream is there, and follow the step by step. So I use this cream for my child. I use it also, and this product, my product, is very good for alopecia patient as well. It will grow your hair. Your hair will be growing, and it will give your hair strength. And you massage it through from the roots to the edge, all the edge of your child or yourself hair. You massage it through them. So check my previous video how you can make your homemade cream. So you apply it. tab to grow your hair, you'll be among of the first people to get the notification. So guys, I'm waiting. If anyone wants me to make how to make your own hair mask, please leave the comments below or send me an email. You can check my email. Go to my page, you will see my about. Click on my about, my email. You can see. So guys, please let me know what you think. If this video helped you, please don't forget to leave the comment below. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed. Bye for now.